Hi guys, you might have noticed when you are trying to add in a keyframe, but the only keyframe, it works, but the only keyframe it shows up is here and there's no menu. That's why, that is because the keyframe menu has switched to the letter K instead of the letter I. Yeah. So how to get back to the letter I is quite simple. We can just delete this keyframe, doesn't matter right now. And we can go to, and you go to preferences. And after preferences, you go to key map right here. You might, if you're not in key map, you are probably in this this menu right here, or this menu here or here. But click here and type in keyframe, or you can also just type in key. That also works, but I like to do this like that. After you do that, you need to you need to search on menu, and you can see here always show and always show like this. Yeah, you change these two to I, like so. So it's now on I instead. You see, like so. Right. Yeah. But it still spawns, not spawns, it still adds a keyframe down here. To change that, you just do this, delete that, and go down to where it says insert, or you can just scroll down here where it says insert too. So, like so, insert a keyframe. You can see it says press and it says the menu thing. So where it says insert, right here, you just press and you change it to K instead, like so. Also for this one. Oh, sorry about that. That should be I. And now when you do this, it should, yeah, it changes to K now. So now it's K, and this is just, you can also pick, I just figured out that you also can pick the keyframes with the letter I. So let's say I want to have a scale. I just click on I on it. It's the same if you want to, yeah, that still adds that. A keyframe like normal. So do that, do this, and do this. You see, it's gonna work just fine. So that's how you get the keyframe menu back, and not really back, just switches to a different letter, so it's the same as the previous versions of Blender. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.